Number 12. A cart of mass m is approaching a hill with a circular top of radius r, as shown in the figure above. The cart is carrying a load also of mass m and is traveling with a speed v0 when it is at the top of the hill. The length of the cart is negligible in comparison to the radius of the hill. The cart never loses contact with the hill's surface. The cart and load can both be considered to be at the same position. Which of the following claims identifies an action-reaction pair of forces due to Newton's third law and provides appropriate reasoning to justify this claim? In the first place, you must consider that the forces included in Newton's third law can only be forces due to the same interaction, and therefore they have to be of the same nature. Option A mentions a normal force and a gravitational force. This cannot be because the two forces are caused by different objects on the same object. Option B also mentions normal force and gravitational force, also on the same object. Option E also mentions the gravitational force exerted on the cart and the normal force exerted by the hill, once again on the same object. On the other hand, option C does mention normal force exerted on the load by the cart and normal force exerted on the cart by the load, which is correct, but they give an incorrect reasoning because it says that these are equal and opposite forces that act on the same object. If one of them is on the cart and the other one is on the load, that cannot be. Option D, the normal force exerted on the load by the cart and the normal force exerted on the cart by the load, because these are equal and opposite forces that act on different objects, that is our best choice.